Hi everyone. As a senior .NET engineer with a bit of Angular experience, I thought I could take on anything. So I decided to dive into the world of Next.js and Tailwind for a new project. And let's just say, it didn't go as smoothly as I hoped. Today, I want to share my story about how I overuse AI tools like Cursor, hit rock bottom, and found my way back to actually learning and building things the right way. Let's rewind. I started a new project, super excited to learn Next.js and Tailwind CSS. Since I'm already pretty comfortable with coding, I thought, why not use an AI-powered IDE to speed things up? Cursor was my go-to. I just typed in my ideas and it spat out chunks of code. At first, it was magical. I felt unstoppable. All I had to do was accept the changes he suggested and watch my application come to life. Look what one simple comment generated for me. In my opinion, it looks very good as something generated in a few minutes. But then, reality hit. As the project grew, the AI-generated code started to get out of control. Debugging was a nightmare. Even with AI's help, I reached a point where I couldn't fix the code anymore. It felt like I was putting duct tape in a sinking ship. And the worst part, I didn't really understand what I was doing. So I decided to change my strategy completely. Instead of relying on AI to write my code, I went old school. I pulled out tutorials, started building small, simple apps, and actually typed out every single line of code. And guess what? Those small, seemingly stupid apps taught me more about Next.js and Tailwind than all the AI-generated code combined. I finally started understanding how things worked, and felt so amazing to have the control back. Here is the big lesson I learned. AI is a fantastic tool, but for me, when learning a new technology, the best approach is to use AI as a mentor, not something that does all the work for you. Ask it questions, discuss concepts, but when it comes to writing code, do it yourself. There is no substitute for getting your hands dirty. So I've restarted my original project, but this time it's different. I'm coding everything myself, and AI is there to guide me when I get stuck. The difference is night and day. I'm not just building an app, I'm building my understanding. See you in the next video. Stay building.